I got a kid, so I'm doing okay with the car, and I'm that's a very good.
I am Prakrit, and this is my 2017 Suzuki Hayabusa. Helmets have to be of a specific rating. The fit, good helmets will always have ventilation, especially in our country. The ventilation can really provide a rider with a much better experience of riding. The liners are they're anti-sweat and they're antibacterial. This was my first helmet, and one of the most colorful things that I've ever owned in my life is an AGV. And this helmet was one of my first premium helmets to buy. And again, it's like it's not very, it's not made for high speeds, but again, it's made by an Italian company called AGV. Valentino Rossi is so-called sponsor, and this specific helmet is a starter lineup of AGV, and it's called the K3 SV. It's a nice, colorful looking helmet. Has good features like visors, and yes, my first premium helmet, and I love it. And the nice part about this was the colors. This specific helmet is called Elements, so it's got, you know, fire, air, and just to replicate all the elements made by Goan. HJC, it's called the Rapa 10. It was their top lineup helmets then. Not expensive, vibration, wind speed. If you even look at the weight with my hand, if you see that it's a very light helmet. This helmet has a pin lock inside, which is like a visor that you can place inside the visor. Helps you not, it's like a defogging visor. You can ride in winters with your visor down as well. It's not a very big deal. Very reliable, one of my favorites, you know. And one of the leaders in the world. A lot of pro level racers like Lorenzo. Lorenzo was wearing HJCs at a point in time. HJC has now come up with a Marvel series as well. So they have helmets for everyone. Almost all Marvel characters like Batman, Wolverine. So that's why they're coming up really well. So that was the HJC. This is a Arai. It's a Japanese company, still made by a family, run by a family, the Arai family. It was a grandfather-son duel, and now the grandfather has left him, and it's a father and son duel now. Very professional helmet, very expensive helmet. The helmet is actually a replicating helmet of a MotoGP rider called Tito Rabat. I specifically had bought this helmet because it looked like our Indian flag. No problems whatsoever on high speeds. They have a lock on the visor here. Phenomenal experience to wear this helmet. If you see there saying made in Japan, the liner is fabulous. This is the RX-7, their premium top of the line helmet. But again, I've never seen someone wearing this, you know, a similar print. It has a small little visor at the back. That is again aerodynamic, makes you cut through the wind. Has vents at the back so that you can keep yourself cool. Small vents again. Has vents. You would very rare you see helmets that have vents on the visor. This does not have a pin lock. That's the reason they've given vents on the visor so that it doesn't defog. And yes, you don't see this on your day-to-day life. This came later in 2017-18, in the beginning of 2018. This is the most premium helmet that SHOEI makes. It's called the X14 or the X Spirit. In European countries, they're called differently. This is a Marquez replica. He's the present MotoGP champion. And you can see his spider, which is his iconical design. Again, has all the features that a premium helmet should have. This helmet, the Arai, is a more race specky helmet. But this helmet, yes, it is a professional helmet, but it is far more comfortable wearing in the street. This helmet is an 80,000 rupee helmet here in India. Because of duties and Rana and whatever, there's not an issue. My Arai, on the other hand, again is an 80,000 rupee helmet, but I genuinely think that people should spend a lot of money on their gear. They should buy good gear, no matter it be a jacket, gloves, or a helmet. You should buy a top quality helmet. Your life is definitely not cheap. A lot of friends say that every helmet is made for one fall. The shell is designed in such a manner that it can only withstand one fall. So if right now my helmet falls down, so that's the end of this helmet. It was made to take one hit, one fall. No matter if it cracked or it didn't crack, the helmet is made for one fall. The companies and a lot of professionals, that's what they say. If it falls down once, it cannot. You're not supposed to wear it on the track. And yes, if you go on a track on the boot circuit and God forbid you take a fall, they'll come and clip your tags off. So that you could never wear them again. And the entire liner, the stickering kits, the liners, everything can be changed. The only thing that cannot be changed are these strap-ons. So your helmet is useless. So if you guys like the review, like, share and subscribe, and please don't forget to press the bell icon button.
Lovely. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.